haven't put up a vlogmas video in like 3 days. I suck. Got my hair done. I had my photo shoot on Saturday, and that's when I got my hair done. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I crashed. Like, when I got home on Saturday, I crashed. Literally, like, and I hate these flexi rides. Like, these are not the normal flexi rides. I hate them, like, hate them. I will be changing them out tonight. But, yeah, I just didn't want to show y'all my face without, with my bunny on like that. But, yeah, I had my photo shoot on Saturday. Y'all know I've been running non-stop, like non-stop. I don't even know what day of vlogmas this is. This is bad. But I feel like I'm getting back to my roots, vlogging on my phone, you know? And I did vlog the behind the scenes of my photo shoot, like I said, but then it clicked. It clicked like, girl, you can't put the behind the scenes footage of the photo shoot up and you're not posting your birthday pictures until your birthday, which is next Tuesday, which is December the 21st, by the way, okay? But yeah, so I can't put that video up just yet. So I don't have a vlogmas video, so I have to come talk to y'all because I've been slacking, and y'all, the whole vlogging on my phone thing is just something within itself. It's something within itself. Let me tell y'all that, because I have no storage on my phone, and it's just certain stuff on my phone that I just don't want to delete. I just don't want to delete to gain some storage. So here we are, you know, here we are. Yeah, my lace is laid, okay? My lace is laid, but I'm gonna put my bunny back on because I'm about to wash my face. If y'all hear the TV in the background, ignore that. Ignore that. But let me put my bunny back on because I came to wash my face and talk to y'all. Y'all, I'm really about to be 30. I'm really about to be 30, and that sounds crazy. Like, am I that old? I don't feel old, but you know, I'm really about to be 30, and let me just tell y'all, if this was 15-year-old Kiara, I'm supposed to have a husband and at least a son by now. You feel me? A husband and a son. I ain't got a boyfriend, and I ain't got a half child. I don't even got a damn dog. Like, what the hell? Let me wash my face. Oh, damn, I forgot my rag. Not my rag. Y'all know I don't use a rag when I'm drying off my face. Paper towel. I'll be right back. Got the paper towel. But I'm really about to be 30, y'all. And is my life together? Hell no. Hell no, my life ain't together. Did I think my life was gonna be together? Hell yeah. But am I mad that it's not together? No. Because if I had the things, let me just say this, and just let me say this. If I had the things that I thought I wanted back then, and I had them now, I'd be a miserable ass girl, okay? I would be mad. I would be mad because my standards is up here, and the things that I used to want is below sea level, okay? It's below sea level. We ain't going out like that. Like, I can't get this bracelet off. How did I get this on? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so if I had the things that I wanted back then and I still had them today, I would be highly upset. I would be mad. Like, girl, no. Girl, no. So am I mad that I don't have the husband and the kids and the kid at 30? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not mad. At all. At all. Like, I don't even have the same friends. I got my cousins. Those are my girls. I got my cousins. Those are my girls. I mean, what can I say? My skin don't look that bad. It feel good. I feel good. Y'all see me and my bunny. And after I finish washing my face, I'm taking some Benadryl. Y'all, I am like allergic to lashes. It don't matter if they lash extensions, if they strips. I'm allergic to that shit. Like, and I just keep on. But I pay the price to be a baddie, okay? I pay the price to be a baddie. So yes, after I finish washing my face, I'm gonna take some Benadryl so I can go to sleep. Because all this sniffling and stuff, it's not giving birthday girl. It's not giving birthday girl. And that's what I'm giving, birthday girl, because y'all ain't see me with my hair down, but look, Ginger Kiera is a vibe. Ginger Kiera brings the boys to the yard. I bring the men to the yard. You feel me? Anyway. Oh, y'all, my camera shipped today. So it says that my camera will be here on Wednesday. But it's coming through FedEx, so we know how that go. Oh, we know how that go. You say Wednesday, it might be Friday. Shoot, I don't know. I'm just in here talking to y'all, and I'm supposed to be washing my face. So we are using Curology. Yes, I have a personalized subscription to them, and they gave me my own personal medication that goes along with my skin. I think it's working. I think it's working. Yeah, it's so simple. 3 steps. Got the cleanser, the moisturizer, which is the 3rd step, and then my personal custom formula. Yeah. And you're supposed to apply this at nighttime. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I don't be doing this as consistently as I need to, but baby, we're gonna get into it. Because I've been working on consistency. Y'all know that. Ooh, and y'all, we need 1 more subscriber to get to 550. 1 more subscriber to get to 550. We at 549, baby. Since vlogmas has started, we done gained 25 subscribers. Welcome to the family, y'all. Welcome to the family. I know this ain't no regular vlog, and if this your first video of like me posting since you subscribed, what's up? My name is Kiera. Y'all can call me Key. You can call me Kiki. You can call me Kiera. You might hear my family call me Skeet, but don't call me that because I ain't, you know, that's just the family name. You know what I'm saying? That's just the family name. But yeah, welcome to the family. We growing, y'all. We growing. Let me wash my face. Because I keep turning off the water to talk. Because I ain't can't talk, y'all, but vlogging on my phone made me feel like I'm getting back to my roots. I feel like I'm getting back to my roots. Yeah, because y'all know this is on my phone. But then I got an upgrade to the Canon G7X Mark II. And literally that's the same camera that I bought. Because it was on sale. Could have got a Mark III, but it was an extra $300. So I wasn't just not going for that. But yeah. So I'm just about to wash my face. Literally. Y'all, my photo shoot was so good. Like, shout out to my team. My cousin slayed my hair. Brittany, the brush by Brit. Oh my God, y'all. I have found my own personal favorite makeup artist. She did my makeup so good. She was so quick. She actually had a personality. Like, a lot of these girls in them want to be bougie, stuck up, and not talk to you. And, you know, they aren't really people. people's people, and I don't like that because I'm a people's people. Like, I'm gonna talk to each other. We gonna talk. We gonna have a conversation, and you know, I'm gonna provide you with good customer service for whatever I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? And I love people that is just people, and they ain't stuck up. You know, my mama came to my appointment with me. She talked to my mama. She talked to me. We had a conversation, child. I like her because she thought I was 22. She thought I was 22, baby. I'm almost 30. Literally almost 30. She thought I was 22. So, y'all know I love her. Y'all know I love her. And, child, I really did it. Like, my makeup, it was flawless. It lasted. It lasted. It lasted. And then, shout out to my photographer, Jeff. I went to Albany State with him. Shout out to Jeff. I will be hitting you up again, Jeff. And y'all cannot wait for y'all to see my pictures because I got a preview before they was edited. I got a preview, and I am such a baddie. Shout out to my mom and my sister for helping me with my outfits, helping me with my poses, helping me, period. You know, my team this weekend was Amaze Balls. And I cannot wait for y'all to see. And I do have, like I said, behind the scenes footage. So, I don't know what day I should post it. It's my birthday on Tuesday, so y'all not gonna see the photos on my Instagram for Tuesday. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at Kisolace. Save as my YouTube. So I don't know when to post them. I don't know. Because this weekend I'm going to a benefit gala with my cousins. So I get to dress up, you know, dress up real cute, real fun. And then Sunday, I think I'm having a birthday month. I don't really know. I let my mom and my sister plan everything because, baby, when it comes to planning, I ain't gonna do it. When it comes to planning, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. It's just not gonna get done. Like, planning stuff, I get very overwhelmed when it comes time to, like, plan stuff. So I'm the girl that's gonna pay somebody a party planner, period. Cause I'm gonna have you an idea of what I want, and that's it. Take my money, cause I don't want to do all the extra details and shit like that. Nah, sorry for cussing. Sorry, I'm really working on my cussing. I'm really working on it. But yeah, I'm just not that girl that want to plan all these events. Like, I have an event, but I don't want to plan it. So I think I'm having a birthday brunch this Sunday. I'm pretty sure I am. I'm pretty sure. And then my birthday's on Tuesday. And I really told my mom with them, like, I don't want to party. Like, I have partied in my whole life. Going into 30, I am chilling. Like, I'm chilling, y'all. I'm really on my chill grizzy. Like, my focus is my YouTube, my job, my goals, my coins. Like, that is literally what I've been focused on, and partying just ain't, you know, I feel like I'm gonna get to the point where I want to celebrate my accomplishments after I have accomplished them, and I'm in the midst of my blessings right now. So I don't want to party right now. And that's just the life that I'm living. Like, I'm going to brunch. I'm doing like a little turn up with my family. Tuesday, I'm going to a fancy dinner. You know, I'm getting on my bougie because my 30s about to be the life of a luxury. You know, my version of luxury. So, yeah. Y'all can't see. Hold on. Yeah, so 30 about to be my years of a luxury. Like, luxurious vacations. I want the Chanel. I want the Gucci. I want the relaxing days, the good mental health. I want the relationship, you know. I want to be spoiled. I want to just be a princess, my God, or a queen, because it's my 30s. I'm a queen now, you feel me? I just want to sit back, be pampered, you know, do my thug thizzle, you know, accomplish my goals, and be treated like the queen I am. So that's just what I want to do. I'm gonna turn up, of course, every now and then, but like as of right now, that's just not my focus in life. So that ain't what I want to do for my birthday. I wanted to go to brunch with my family, like we do, get cute, turn up, you know, eat a little good, smoke a little sun. And I ain't talk about the hooks, cause I don't smoke hookah no more. Not for real. Cause hookah makes me nauseous, y'all. Oh my God, I hate that. Like, ugh. And then I seen a tweet the other day that was saying something like, when we get older, I want to see the cases for lung cancer because everybody's smoking hookah, and I thought about it. Like, that's very accurate, and I ain't trying to be a part of that, period. So we just not gonna do that no more. So I packed up my hookah weeks ago. Like, I have a personal hookah. I packed that shit up and put it at the top of my closet in a bag, and it's only gonna be pulled out for like events and stuff when other people want to smoke hookah. But Kiara ain't smoking no hookah. I ain't smoking the hooks. I'm not smoking the hooks. You feel me? Yeah, I'm not smoking the hookah. So brunch, fancy dinner on Tuesday, you know. And that's just what we're gonna do for my birthday. Like, I did my photo shoot. That was the main thing that I wanted to do. And I got it done. Y'all, I was so nervous. Like, I don't know. I grew up being the picture taker. Like, my grandma, I think I told y'all this. She has photo albums of like literally just me. Like literally just me. Like, I've always been a picture taker. Like, I love taking pictures. But I got away from like doing the things that I love to do for so long because y'all know I gained a bunch of weight. Like, the Kiara that y'all know on YouTube was not me back in the day. Like, I was very skinny, very skinny. So going from being very skinny to very thick, I'm like on opposite sides of the spectrum now. So, you know, it took me a minute to get back here where baby we back. Baby we back in action. Baby we back in action, y'all. So, yeah, that's just, you know, where I've been, what I've been up to, or what's to come, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog every day on my phone because it's just not giving what I wanted to give, like what vlogmas was giving, you know, and I'm pissed about that. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep vlogging on my phone, but you know, camera be here on Wednesday, so it's Monday. Actually, right now it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's like 12:20 something a.m. Okay, so I don't know what day of vlogmas this is, but y'all, this is vlogmas. This is vlogmas, okay? So I just wanted to come chitty chat with y'all since I haven't uploaded in a couple days. And I know I was striving to do all the days of vlogging, but y'all, when I tell y'all I crashed, and I've been asleep for 2 days. I've been asleep for 2 days. So I'm about to go take some Benadryl because, like I said, I think I'm allergic to lashes. And my eyes have been constantly watering, like, yeah, constantly watering. So I'm about to take some Benadryl, go back to sleep. And I'll see y'all in the next episode of Vlogmas, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for catching up with me, chatting with me, you know. We're getting back to our roots, vlogging on the phone. But yeah, y'all. Thank you guys for keeping up with me. Let me know how y'all doing in the comments below. Y'all miss me because I miss y'all. But I'll see y'all in the next episode. Peace.